Jai Shivrai guys, today is the day 16 of our technical growth challenge and today we have applied Apache Kafka in our microservices. So for all the steps you can check the blog, okay, my blog medium.com at the reader underscore Vikasem with the same name. So here what is a Kafka? So Kafka we are using in the microservices for asynchronous communication. Now what is asynchronous communication? In asynchronous communication we have one concept for like a producer and consumer. If producer will produce the message, consumer can consume at any time. So for Kafka we need some softwares also, like this Kafka software you can download. Then Zookeeper we need. Okay, this Zookeeper, after downloading the Kafka, what you can do, so I have downloaded the Kafka here. So in the configuration you can do the configuration in the Zookeeper properties. Okay, so this some sub type of configuration you have to do. Then after that you have to create some topic also. Okay, so here after creating the topics, here we have topic order underscore events. I will show you in the code also. See, we have order underscore event topics. Okay, so I will show you one by one. So here now the coding part will start. See here what you have to do. I'm taking the configuration properties file from configuration. So here in order service you have to put this configuration. Okay, the port of that Kafka, then some consumer and producer and consumer properties. This I copy pasted from the Google. Here some things you have to add, like group ID, what is the Kafka group ID. So some things you can edit. In the payment service also same. Okay, I added the same. Now that one is done. Now in the POM XML what you have to do, you have to add some properties. So here we have added one dependency which is Spring Kafka for the order service and for the user service both. Sorry, for order and payment service both. Now what is our task? See, now we have to pass the see here order service and payment service. We have to produce one Kafka message in the order service, and payment service is a consumer, so he will consume that message. Now I will show you in the code. Okay, here see, now in the order service. Okay, if we'll check in the order service, we have order service code. Okay, order service. Here what we have done, existing code is there. Okay, we have not changed anything here. Now we just created one order producer. Okay, order producer class. In the order producer class we have added the Kafka template with the order event. Okay, this order event we created with the order ID, user ID, amount status, which we needed in the payment. Okay, same class we have created in payment also. Now after creating this one, see, this one is the order template, order dot events. Now I will tell you in the practical example that one. Now this order events, it will send the event. Okay, and here we'll get the one logger. Now in the order service it will call the order producer, it will produce the message. Now in the payment service what it will do, see, in the payment service with the same name as a topic we are using. Here we are using a Kafka listener. In the Kafka listener we are calling the same topic, means we are consuming the message. Here we have produced the message. Okay, here we have produced the message, and here see, send order event, and in the payment service we are consuming the message. So here we have to pass the topics, and here we are printing some logs, and we are checking whether that will work or not. So whenever we are sending the request from order service, automatically with the help of that order it will create the payment service also. Okay, so that's why it will be helpful. If there are multiple services, then it will be really helpful. Now what you have to do, see, here I will tell you. Here first of all we have to generate one token. After generating the token, we will pass the token here. Okay, 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 by mistakenly I created the order. See, here in the gate, okay, we have 5 entries. Okay, now what, and in the payment also in the gate. Okay, we have 5 entries. Okay, now what we'll do, here we'll create one entry. Okay, with the 40 suppose. Okay, user ID 140. We'll check whether we have that user or not. Okay, we have one user. Okay, so here one user we are passing the value as a 40. So see, now 6 user is created with the order ID 6. Okay, now what we'll do here, also we have 5 orders. Now order we have called. Okay, now we'll check the log of order. Okay, in the order service, see here, previously we by mistakenly sent the order, that's why it is one more log came. See, order event sent from order producer. So here, see, this is message, right? Order event sent from order producer. Okay, now we are sending this order events topic name, and producer will consume that one. Now see here, what we have done, we have created one order. Okay, now in the payment service, what it will do, it will consume the order event, and in the order events we have some see, we have some parameters: user ID, order ID, user ID, amount, and status. What we are doing here, see, in the payment events, see, first of all this log should came, and we are fetching the data from this order events, and we are using that data for creating the payment. Okay, this UID we are generating by yeah, upper side also we are generating the using the UID. So here we are using that order event data which we are like we are getting from order event pojo. Okay, this pojo we have order user amount and status. Here in the wait a second, payment service we have order amount user and status. Now what we'll do, we'll check. See there, after that this payment do we are passing in the payment repository, that's why it is creating one entry in the database, save payment. Now we'll check whether we got this log or not. In the payment service, this is payment service, see, we got log, receive the order event in the payment service, payment received for order 6. Okay, payment received for order 6. We will check in the payments. See, now we have 5 payments. In the gate we'll check. See, one more entry came 6 with the 40. So like no need, see here one step we skip, right? By creating just the order, it automatically created the payment. So that's why it is a very helpful, the Kafka things. So that's why it is very very helpful, guys. So you can also learn these steps, learn from the steps whatever it is there. You can see here I have used the zookeeper also. Okay, so this is a command for zookeeper. You can start the zookeeper, then you can start the Kafka here. Okay, with this one. Hmm? And you can check other things also, like Kafka, like how many topics are there, you can create the topics. Okay, commands I already given here. Actually I tried manually sending the data, so here you can see manually I tried to send the data previously, so that see here, see I tried to send the data manually, so that whenever like I want to check the it is working or not, Kafka. Then if it is working through command prompt, then we can check in the code. So that's why I use this one, these things. Okay, you can check the full blog. If you want full video, you can check on a YouTube, it will be really helpful for you. You can check there. Thank you.